To install a corner shelf, you want to start with a standard installation for one of your shelves, installing it tight into the corner. And then to mark out your second male bracket, you want to make sure that you're perfectly level with your first shelf. You can simply hold up the shelf to your other bracket, put a level on this shelf, and mark a line on the wall. If you don't have a laser level, then you'll know where this male bracket needs to go for installation. The most important part of this installation is to make sure that the second male bracket is shorter than your female bracket, allowing you space to slide your shelf. Because once you install your shelf, you're going to want to slide it in to butt up against this shelf. And to make sure that the two surfaces are not going to move, you can either use a biscuit jointer on this face here, or you can drill dowel holes for these two surfaces to reach each other and be secure, or you can drill a screw on a 45-degree angle from this shelf, attaching it to this one once the installation is done. So now that I've got my shelf attached to the wall, I want to attach it as close as possible to start. And then I simply want to take a block of wood or a rubber mallet, place it on this end, and your shelf will slide right up against the other shelf. Your biscuit joints will come together, or your dowels will come together, and now you have a firm, perfectly level corner shelf installation. Another option for this installation is to cut both shelves on a 45-degree angle where they meet one another. But once again, you'll need to make this male bracket slightly shorter so that once you click the shelf down into place, you can move the shelf into position so that it butts up against the other shelf, and then you can choose the fastener of your choice to marry those two faces together.